Good morning, everyone. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I just got another Temu haul. Now, I have to just say that I'm always kind of weirded out by how small everything is. The package was tiny. It was about as big as this altogether. This, by the way, is not a journaling supply, it's a tofu press. I have been wanting to get a tofu press for probably 20 years, but they're so expensive. And then this one was like $8.88 or something like that on, you put that like that, then you put your tofu in here, and you push it down and it gets all the water out of the tofu. But on Temu, this was only about $8.88, so that I decided to take the plunge and get it. I got the Monet washi tapes. They are so beautiful. I love those pastel colors. And these two stamps were about $2 a piece. I've seen similar things like this in your creative studio and that kind of place, and they're much more expensive than $2 a piece. I got these postage clear stamps, and I think they were only a couple of dollars too. Everything I got was only a couple of dollars. These are stencils. Now they are kind of flimsy, and they kind of get stuck on each other, so you have to be careful with them. But they're awesome, and you get so many of them. I don't know if you can see the pattern. Let me get another piece of paper. So they're mostly like florals, and I don't even know how many there are. I hope that helps you see the pattern better. That's 3. 4, 5, 6. Oops, see, they do get stuck together, and then you're going to have to be careful you don't bend them out of whack. What did I say, 7 before? This is 8, 9, 10, 11. This one I tried out a little bit. 12. And I guess there's 13 if I counted correctly. If I didn't lose count. So there's 13 of those. Now these, I was really shocked at how small these were. I thought they were going to be like an 8 by 10 sheet, but they're not, and that's okay. I probably just didn't read it properly, but these would be good for little embellishments, and they're not shiny at all. They're very matte. You could write on these and it's not going to rub off. And they're all the same, just different colors. Like this is kind of a tan, green, burgundy, navy, red, and then another shade of green, and kind of like a brown. So that's that. And then we have some little bird stickers, which I was also shocked at the size of the box, but they're really cute. They're a little more realistic than some of them that I've had. So we got a whole bunch of different little birds. So that's nice. There's one still stuck in there, but that's okay. You get the idea. So we've got these birds, and then I got some, I think these are the tulips. And yeah, these are the tulips. They're not so tiny. The packages are so tiny, but I mean, these are like normal sticker sizes. So we've got those. And, oops. And then I got the purple package of, I think they called it pressed flower stickers, I think is what it was called. And these are normal size stickers too. Maybe a little on the small side, but I mean, that's not small. Yeah, I guess they're normal sizes. Lots of purple ones. So it says, I don't know, it doesn't say how many. But that's a lot. So anyway, that is my haul, my Temu haul, and I will be using these in upcoming projects, and I will show you a little swatch of the washi tapes here. So this is the swatch page. I also did some of the stencils here. This is my spring journal that I just finished. Today happens to be June 29th, my second oldest son's 44th birthday, and I can't believe he's so old. It seems like just yesterday. We used to live by the ocean, and I would walk him by the boardwalk, on the boardwalk by the ocean, just calm him down if he was cranky, and seems like just yesterday. Now he's 44. So, so that's that, and I'm going to put some, yeah, so even though we have one more day, this book is done. So if anything exciting happens today or tomorrow, we're going to pretend it was in July. So, and now I know most of you, some of you may have seen my new journal for summer, and this is it. I made it much bigger this time, and I think I'm gonna just put some of the stickers on a page and do the rubber stamps, and we can do that right here. Let's see. Let's put a sticker on the top for a label. This label's not so tiny. You could use that as an actual label for a page. We went at, as I was saying, this size sticker or label is okay for labeling stuff. These I'd probably use like in little clusters or embellishments. Maybe put like numbers on them or something like that. So, I already did a swatch of some of these, so I could do different ones this time. But let's pick a nice little bird here, and we'll see how hard it is to get the stickers off, or the sticky back off. I might have to turn the camera off to do this. Well, I have to say that it was not the easiest thing getting the back off of that bird sticker, and also I think I might trim around them if I'm using them in like a layout, because the white part is very thick. If we can get this one off. It's not super easy. There we go. That one wasn't so bad. So we'll put him up here. Alright, and now we'll do some of the flower ones. Let's see, one of these, it looks like there's more than one of each, maybe two of each design, it looks like. And the other ones I had like this weren't difficult to get out if I kind of rolled the edges. But this one doesn't seem to be responding to rolling the edges. There we go. So that's not so bad. There, let's, what else we can find to put on here? How about some grapes? Oop, where'd they go? If you can hold on to them, they're nice. So let's put this one up, right over here. Yeah. Or maybe not one so big. Where'd those grapes go? That is so weird. I cannot even see the grapes anymore. Oh, here they are. You probably saw them. No, that would be off camera. Okay, oh, that one came out right away, so that's nice. We'll put this one right here. And now some tulips. These are pretty. Shut the camera off. It came off. So let's see now. Let's try some of these red ones. Well, if I can get these off quick. Oh, there we go. So curling them up at the edges does help. We've got that now. Let's see. Let's try this stencil right here. Get my ink here. I'm using Coffee Archival Ink Ranger. And let's do this. Get some more ink. Well, I'm hoping that it's going to turn out to be a beautiful day. We've had a lot of rain. We've had some more air alert quality alerts. But it looks like now the sun is trying to come out. I would love to go outside. Look how pretty that is. I would love to go outside for a little while. I finished reading a book. I need to get a new one. And let's turn the page here and move over a little bit so you're still on camera. So I'm still on camera. And let's do another stencil. Let's see. So hard to choose. Let's do this one. It's got some birds. Do this one up here. I have a hard time. I think this is the way it's supposed to go. And then I want to clean off my stencils, but I'll do that off camera. I'm trying to keep my stamps and stencils cleaner in between use, so they'll last a little longer. So there we have that. Oh, look how cute that is. Alright, and then the next thing we'll do is we'll try some of these. I gotta get my little block. I've got my little stamping block out. And choose one of these. I even have a little fake stamps we can put on and see how it looks. I don't remember where I got these, but probably Amazon. So there's a whole bunch of these. So let's put one down. And usually these are fine to get off. But of course, not on camera. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's put this right here. And we will try to put a, what do they call it? Postmark on it. Let's do Washington, D.C. Now I actually do have a real vintage one from a post office, a local post office here. So that's cool. But it is very big. So let's try this. And it might rub off on these because these are glossy. Oh, but look how cute it is. It works good. Hopefully it won't rub off. So let's do that. There we go. No, I didn't push down enough there, but you get the idea. let's see what this one looks like. I'm not going to do all of them, but we'll do a couple. Is that upside down? Yep. Upside down. Now I have to do it right side up. There we go. That's not bad. These are coming out really nice. So, you know, everything seems to work just good. Really good. The only thing I was surprised was how little some of the sticker packages were. I think this is right side up. Yep. Alright, and one more. Airmail. Oh, that's definitely upside down. Okay, there's you have it. A little sample of some of the Temu journaling supplies. So I would recommend getting these. And honestly, I thought it would take forever to get stuff from Temu in the mail, and it only takes a week to come to our location. So all in all, I am very impressed with the prices and the quality of the products. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Please leave a comment and a like, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd appreciate that so much, and I hope you are all happy, well, and healthy, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye. And now I gotta figure out where to store everything.